What is going on? Today we are unboxing these Kemimoto cup holders. Now these are mainly going to be used for anything you can strap them to. So in this instance, we're going to strap them to our side-by-side, our 2020 Can-Am Defender. These can be attached to strollers, four-wheelers, anything that these can wrap around and Velcro to. Now, these are made out of very durable material. They fold easy, can fit in your pocket. Also, if you don't want to strap them to anything, you can just use these without being installed. So you can just pop your water bottle in there. Got this really cool drawstring, and now you have your cup holder on the go. And then when you're ready to go, you can strap it to the bar on one of your side-by-sides, your stroller, anything like that. So another thing to note about these cup holders, they have this nice durable mesh that you can put other items into, such as your cell phone, headphones, your car keys, anything like that that you might want to put in here. So I'm going to show you a close-up. So this drawstring is very nice. These are very tough. It does have a drain hole in the bottom in case it sweats or spills. Comes with these. I guess you can stick these if you don't want to like strap it with these straps. So multiple ways to install. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of these Kemimoto cup holders for your baby stroller, side-by-side, or four-wheeler. Look forward to the next video where I install these and we go test them out. Thank you very much.